Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn to solve some examples of adding integers according to addition rules. To know more about the rules, you can check out my video Operations on Integers. So let's begin. Before performing addition of integers, you have to check the signs of the integers you are performing operation on and then accordingly decide the rule to apply. As in the given example, both the numbers are negative. So you can see rule number 4 is for the numbers with negative signs, which says that if both the numbers are negative, you have to perform addition and minus sign will be given to the answer. We will do this in steps. First step is always perform the operation. In this question, according to rule number 4, we have to perform addition operation on the integers. So adding 7 and 7 gives us 14. Next step is giving sign minus to the answer. So we'll give minus sign to the answer and answer becomes minus 14. In next example, 14 plus minus 7. First number is positive and second is negative, which goes with our rule number 3, which says that if first number is positive and second is negative, you have to perform subtraction, operation, and sign to the answer will be of greater number. So first step is always we have to perform the operation. So we'll perform subtraction in the given example as first number is positive and second is negative. So difference between 14 and 7 is 7. Now next step is about the sign. Sign should be of greater number. In the given example, 14 is the greater number with no sign. That means it is a positive number. So our answer will be plus 7 or you can write it as only 7. In the given example, 20 plus 15, both the numbers are positive. So we can apply rule number 1, which says that if both numbers are positive, you have to perform addition and sign to the answer will be plus. So first step is performing operation. So we'll add the digit which gives us answer as 35. And next step is we have to give sign plus to the answer. So our answer will be plus 35 or 35. Next example is minus 14 plus 7. First number is negative and second is positive, which goes with our rule number 2, which says that if first number is negative and second is positive, you have to perform subtraction and give greater number sign to the answer. So first step is always performing operation. So first we'll subtract the digits, which is 14 and 7. If we subtract the both, we get 7 as answer. And for sign, it should be of greater number. Here greater number is 14 and it is having negative sign to it. So answer will also have minus sign to the answer. So this is how we perform addition of integers, where if you have same signs, then answer will also have same sign. As you can see, rule number 1 and 4 both are having same signs as they are having for their answers. But if you have either of the digit with negative sign, you have to perform subtraction and sign will be of greater number depending on your examples. Do like the video, share the link and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.